Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we received a letter from a community member and her name is Lena. And she says, "Hi, I'm doing the decor for my cousin's wedding next year. The theme is New Orleans, our birthplace. I want to recreate this gaslight pole, but I want to make it 20 inches tall and put flowers at the base. How would I go about doing that? Any help or idea would be appreciated. Lena." Well, Lena, not only am I going to give you an idea, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, and you won't believe how easy it is. So let's get started with this week's episode, Tall French Quarter Garden Centerpiece. So excited. Okay guys, let's go. So the lamppost we're using is actually electric, so meaning you can plug it up for the light. I'm not going to be using the electric option, so I'm going to show you how to change it into a portable lamp with an LED light. So first I remove the top, remove the light bulb, and now I simply am going to add an LED light. You should put a little bit of hot glue on the bottom just to secure it on the stand. And as you can see, voila, no electricity needed. Next I'm going to add this beautiful New Orleans. It's actually a Christmas ornament, and I'm going to just put a little dab of hot glue on the back of it to secure it to my lamppost. And don't worry, the hot glue spider webs come off just easy. So set it up and we're ready to move on. So my lamppost is already 22 inches tall. I'm going to just attach it to a 6x12 styrofoam rectangular block. And I'm just going to use a little hot glue on the base of it and attach it. Super simple, easy peasy. So the centerpiece ends up being right at 24 inches tall altogether. Well, Lena, what do you think? I love it. It reminds me so much of the French Quarter, the historic value of the gas lamp, as well as the vibrant colors of the flowers. It just takes me right back there. I can just go and have a beignet and sit and smell the beautiful gardens. Well, I hope you like it. I hope we made your vision. And if you like this video, go ahead and like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single Wednesday. And if you would like a special notification of when the moment our videos are posted, click on that little bell, sign up for our notifications, and guess what? You will receive one. Also, if you would like to follow us on our social media, that is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Go right ahead. We'd love to have you following us. In addition to that, don't forget to sign up for your Ebates rebate account. It's absolutely free and they pay you to shop. Simple steps. You can go ahead and log on or find the link in the description right below this video. Create your Ebates account. When you're ready to make purchases, sign on to your Ebates account. find your vendors, and make your qualified purchases and receive a check at the end of the month. It's so simple, so easy, and absolutely wonderful. Don't forget to check out our Miss Planet shop. We have some fantastic products for you. We are so excited that they're helping so many people, and it just makes me smile when we read the reviews and see how they're helping you create the weddings and or parties of your dreams. So right now on our store, we have 4 fantastic products, and they are our DIY bride wedding planner. Everything you need to plan your own wedding from beginning to end, from setting the date to tossing the garter and the bouquet. It's all there for you. It's so simple, step by step. We give you examples. It's wonderful. Also, don't forget to check out our Maid of Honor planner. It's for those maids of honors that have gotten that wonderful position but don't quite know what to do. Guess what? You don't have to wonder. We have all the steps for you. And be sure to check out our DIY project planner. That is for when you're planning any projects. It could be birthdays, baby showers, quinceañeras, or maybe it's just a project you're doing around your own house. It's there for you. It helps you plan, budget, and gives you some ideas. And then finally, we have our paper flower tutorial with the templates and a link to the video showing you just exactly how we make those beautiful paper roses. So be sure to check out our Miss Planet shop and be sure to send us more reviews. We just love hearing about how the products are helping you. It's been an absolute blast hanging out with y'all. Thank you so much for choosing to spend this time with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we don't take it lightly that you choose to spend this time with us here at Miss Planet. Also, don't forget the links to the supplies as well as the project cost are in the description right below this video. Click on that upside down triangle arrow and find all the links there at your fingertips. You don't have to wonder where we got it from or even how much we paid for it. It's all right there for you so you can budget and create the DIY projects and events of your dreams. It's been so much fun hanging out with you, and oh, I have a big announcement. Something big is coming. I'm not going to tell you all about it until it's actually ready to go. But if you want to be one of the first to know when it's ready to go, click on the link in the description and become a part of our mailing list, and you will be notified before anyone else. It's coming soon in the next 4 weeks. I'm so excited, but I have to keep myself contained until it's all ready to share with you properly. Well, guys, our time is up. I had an absolute blast hanging out with you. Thank you again for taking the time to spend with us. And always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.